Hello and welcome to A Good Stir. This is Julie and today I'm going to show you how to make Parmesan chicken bites. The recipe is in the description box, so grab your leftover rotisserie chicken or shredded chicken of your choice and let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce, a 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together really well. Spray your muffin pan with the oil of your choice. Spoon the chicken mixture evenly into each cup of your muffin pan and pat down gently until it's flat. And top each with the remaining mozzarella cheese. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until they are set and golden. Cool for 5 minutes, garnish with fresh parsley and serve with extra marinara sauce. These Parmesan chicken bites make a fun and flavorful twist on a classic chicken dinner. They are packed with flavor and perfect for piling onto a plate with your favorite side dish. They make a great weeknight meal that everyone at the table will love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.